I saw a dog in a truck. The dog saw me. I saw a pig in the shed. The pig saw me. I saw a cat with claws. The cat saw me. I saw a fish in the pond. The fish saw me. I saw a fawn with spots. The fawn saw me. I saw a horse in the grass. The horse saw me. I saw a sheep on the lawn. The sheep saw me. I can draw a dog and a cat. He can draw a jeep and a truck.
Special sounds. Ah, ah. Word list.
1. Pause. Fault. Paul. Saw. 2. Auto. Pause. Awful. Law. 3. Cause. Raw. Sauce. Vault. 4. Ant. Flaw. Claw. Thaw. 5. Yawn. Hawk. Author. Jaw. 6. Lawn. Hall. Draw. Straw.
Special sounds. Ah, ah. Sentences.
1. We saw Paul on the lawn. 2. Use your jaw to chew the sauce. 3. Thaw the hawk and eat it raw. 4. Paul's aunt saw the author. 5. We saw a hawk's claw on the lawn. 6. Haul the awful sauce to the vault. 7. The hawk has a lark in the yard. 8. I saw the tall author yawn.